When we talk about digital skills in Zimbabwe, it's usually just in the big cities and towns. Places with computer labs, reliable internet, and schools that actually have ICT teachers. But in October 2025, something different happened at Chikomba Rural, at a small school called Chamukwenjera Primary. There was a tech event that pulled in 11 schools and about 200 students, many of whom had never touched a computer in their lives. Free Code Africa hosted a one-day introduction to coding, robotics, and just basic digital skills. Nothing fancy, just simple hands-on time with computers and robots. And for many of the students, this wasn't a simple career guidance or some STEM outreach. It was literally the first time they interacted with technology, maybe beyond just a smartphone shared at home.
Power Galaxy A56 256 gig storage, 8 gig RAM.
Slick design, good camera, delightful software, Samsung brand.
All yours today for $395 delivered way, anyway in Zimbabwe. Get yours today. All yours today.
So the Free Code Africa project is led by Taurai Munodawafa, a software developer who grew up in the same area. He actually finished school without ever using a computer. So he knows exactly what limited exposure is like and what it means for rural students. So Free Code Africa's idea is simple. It's something like, if rural schools can't reach tech, then the tech should go to the rural schools. So the event got support from local leaders and organizations like Nduna Girls Organization, We Code ZW, UNDP Zimbabwe, and above all, the Minister of ICT, Tatenda Mavetera, who was in attendance. You gotta love events like these, man. And you gotta love it when they get this kind of support, because rural kids don't lack interest. They just lack access. And yeah, these events don't close the gap in a day. But as you know, a little exposure goes a very long way. And that matters. Free Code Africa says this is just the start, with more rural schools on their list. So whether that scales will depend on resources and consistency. But the need is there, and it's obvious. Talent is everywhere in Zimbabwe, but access isn't. So kudos to Free Code Africa, and more of this, please.